my god, I'm already sweating. Already sweating, didn't even start filming yet. What's up you guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third annual What's in My College Backpack / school supplies haul video. I cannot believe that this is already my third time doing this video. I seriously feel like I started my YouTube channel like 5 minutes ago. Before we get started, I just want to make a disclaimer that I don't go here. Not that anyone thought that I did. If you didn't see my last video, I did a little vlog. Well, the vlog was actually long, but part of it was me school supply shopping at Target, so you're going to be seeing the things that I got there in this video. Obviously, back to school this year looks very different, and truthfully, I have no idea what this semester even holds for me. As of right now, my school is planning on reopening and doing in-person classes. I know a lot of people whose schools have either gone completely online or they're doing a hybrid type of situation where some classes will be in person, some will be online. All of my classes are supposed to be in person and campus is supposed to be opening back up, so that is why I'm making this video, because I am actually planning on using my backpack and physically going to school. The good thing is I'm a commuter student, so I don't have to worry about living on campus or anything. I'm probably literally just going to go to school for a class and then come home and do all of my homework and everything here. I'm going to be a senior in college this year, which it's just weird to say. I felt the same way when I was a senior in high school. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm a senior, like where has time gone? But now I'm a senior in college, so Alright, so let's get into it, and I am going to show you guys what I keep in my backpack, my essentials. This is my backpack. Got this last year. This is the classic backpack in the extra large size, I guess. And the color is ash rose. I'll put the link that I used in last year's video down below because that's the one I just clicked on to figure out what this was called. I have no idea if they have this color anymore, but that's the kind of backpack that this is. I love this. You know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So I did not get a new one for this year, especially because I don't even know what the hell is going on, or if I'm gonna have to go back online halfway through the semester. Like it was just not happening. There are two main compartments where stuff goes, this little front one and then the big main one, and then on the sides there are these two pockets. My only complaint is that my water bottle, which you will see, is too big to fit in here, so I kind of wish that they had the like mesh pocket with the elastic that stretches out more. That would be really convenient. So let's get started with the front pocket. The things that are in here are smaller things that I grab for a lot. First things first, the first thing I'm seeing is this. Okay, that actually doesn't show you what it is at all. I started making my own masks for this school year because once I got the email saying that it was required for us to wear masks on campus at all times, I was gonna go and buy some, but I've bought a bunch of masks in the past like couple months and I never can find one that fits me perfectly, so I just decided to make my own so that I could customize it to my own face. So this is just one of the masks that I've made so far. It's this really cute speckled pattern. So we have this, and then with all the masks that I'm making for the school year, I am making matching kind of like tote bags, because obviously I'm going to be wearing this while I'm on campus at all times, but when I'm in my car like going from school to home or something, I'm just gonna like throw it back in my backpack. But I didn't want to just throw the mask itself like into my backpack because I don't know, I feel like it's gonna get dirty in there, and I don't want to have something that's picking up dirt from my backpack then putting it on my face. That's just very unsanitary if you ask me. I don't want to do that. So I decided to make cute little matching bags in the same patterns. I don't know. I thought it was a cute freaking idea. Next, this is my favorite gum. It's the Orbit Bubble Mint. Another obvious one. Hand sanitizer. Got this little one from Target. I always have hand sanitizer on my backpacks regardless, but especially right now, this is extremely important. I think I will get into this next, this little pouch, because these two things that I have go in this pouch. I just kept them in the packaging for dramatic effect, just for the sake of the haul. But this pouch my best friend got for me, and in it, this is kind of like an emergency kit, I guess. So we have an extra scrunchie, an extra just normal hair tie. I have a few of these hair clips in case I need them, you know. A Tide stick. This is extremely essential. I don't go anywhere without a Tide stick because I am a very messy person and I always end up somehow like spilling something on myself. Some band-aids. You never know when you're gonna need those. I keep this lotion. This is Shea Butter hand cream from Bath and Body Works. My hands get really dry really fast and it irritates me, so I like to always put lotion on. I keep a couple of these in there. These These are Neutrogena makeup wipes, and they're always gonna stay fresh because there's only one in these packs. So I just have a couple of these, I don't know, in case I would need them. And then lastly, I have this mini deodorant because one time when I went to Temple, I forgot to put deodorant on before going to one of my early classes, and it scarred me. So I have kept deodorant with me ever since so that never happens again. So then a couple of new things that I bought that are just also going to go in this pack that I like to keep with me. I always have some type of pain medicine. I'm pretty sure last year I made the comment that this is for all the headaches that college gives me, but it's always going to be accurate. I got this from the travel section at Target. That's literally one of my favorite sections in the entire store because there's all these mini versions of stuff. That's also where I got the deodorant too. And then chapstick. This is my favorite kind of chapstick, the Aquaphor lip repair. It's the best one. So that is all that is in my little kind of emergency pouch. And then last thing I have in this front pocket is just a mechanical pencil. I always have at least one sitting in this pocket that's just really easy to access. So that's it for that pocket. And then moving on to the main pocket. First thing I see is my water bottle. Like I said, this thing's kind of big, so it doesn't fit. Oh my god, wait a second. No, it doesn't fit. Are you kidding me? My only complaint is that my water bottle is too big to fit in here. You mean to tell me that ever since I got this water bottle, I've just been putting it in my backpack because I thought that it was too big for the side pocket? Is that what you're telling me? Well, you know what? That's good to know so that I don't have to stick it in the main pocket anymore because that was kind of inconvenient. Anywho, this is my water bottle. The way I love this water bottle is I didn't even think I could ever be so obsessed with something. The color, iconic. This is the lilac color. It's a hydro flask. It's the 40-ounce wide mouth with flex cap. I just love that it's huge. It keeps my water cold. I like to have a cute water bottle because it makes me feel more motivated to use it. I guess we'll be putting that in the side pocket now, thank God. Moving right along, this is my pencil case. It actually came with this backpack. Yes, this is from Herschel. I used it all last year. In here, I obviously keep pencils, pens. I'm using the same ones that I have had. I think I bought these sophomore year maybe, but I have colored pens because I like to color code my classes in my planner so that I can like look at it and know by the color which class it is. I have a whole video on my college organization tips, and I've talked about this method in a lot of videos, so I'll try and find them and link them down below if you guys want to see how I keep myself organized. But these are the Papermate Inkjoy gel pens, and then I always keep a Sharpie, and my favorite black pens are the Pilot G2s, so I have some of those in there. Every year I buy new pencils, even though I really don't need new ones. I just feel like it's a rite of passage at this point. It's just something I have to do. These are actually a different kind than I usually get. I usually get the Bic Sparkle ones, but this time I decided to switch it up and I got the Bic mechanical pencils with these rubber grips on them. Seemed kind of fun. I kept this in the packaging again just for the sake of the haul. Another thing that I got that I'm going to be putting in my pencil case is this pack of Bic highlighters. There are 12 in here, and I actually really needed new highlighters because mine were really dried out. I've been meaning to buy new ones, so I just decided to get this pack of them. I'm really excited about them. If I have cute supplies that I'm excited to use, it motivates me obviously to use them and therefore to be organized and be productive. So that's pretty much everything that's going to be in my pencil case. And then this will be my third pouch in my backpack, but it's the final one, so bear with me, is this pouch. These are my COVID supplies for this semester. So let's dive into what we have in here. First off, we have more face masks. Okay, I got these ones at CVS a while ago. If I ever forget one, or if somebody else, like one of my friends, forgets a mask and needs one, I can give them one, especially because they are all individually wrapped. Like, they're obviously sanitary, they haven't been opened. So if anybody needs one, you know, we're in this together is my philosophy. We're all in this together. Next, these are some Clorox disinfecting wipes so that I can wipe down my desk area. I can wipe down anything that anyone else could have touched that hasn't been clean. It's better to be safe than sorry. Also to wipe down like my laptop, my keyboard, all of that kind of stuff. And then, surprise, surprise, another thing of hand sanitizer. This one I picked up at Target the other day. I couldn't find any plain bottles, so I just got this Star Wars one. You can never have too much hand sanitizer. The last thing that's in here for now, I'll probably be adding to this, are these wipe sets specifically for your phone. These are from Casetify. I'm pretty sure that with every purchase, you get a box of 10 of these for free. So that's really, really nice because it's important to clean your your phone, and I feel like it's something that a lot of us, at least myself, I overlook that, even though my phone is the thing that I probably touch the most. There's a wipe to sanitize, and then there's a wipe that's dry just to get off any excess dirt. And that's it for what's in here for right now. Like I said, I'll probably be adding to that. Another thing I kept in the package just for the haul. This is just a pack of tissues, 4-pack. So I'm probably gonna put one of these in here as well. And then I usually keep a pack of tissues in the front pocket too, just in case I need to grab for it really quick. All right, so my notebook. This is a 5-star, 5-subject, college-ruled notebook. I swear by these. I typically take 5 classes. If I'm taking more classes, I'll buy like a single subject notebook to add to this, but I like to use just one 5-subject notebook. I can write notes for every single class in here. I put tabs on the top for which section is for each class so I can easily flip to it, and I just keep this with me at all times. The amount of paper that is in each section is enough for me for my notes that I take for each class for the whole semester. Each section has this divider folder, so if I get papers for that class, I can keep them in here. So literally everything is in one place. This is just a plain white one actually, but I put this wallpaper on it. I had this left over from when I did my bedroom office makeover video. I decided to put it on my notebook because I thought it would be cute. And then for overflow papers, because I always have at least one class where they give you a ton of papers, like literally a forest worth of papers for no reason. Always one every semester. I just keep a folder. This was like 50 cents from Target. I only use the plastic ones. I do not like the paper ones because they always rip. This main compartment of my backpack is kind of split into two. So there's obviously the big section where all my books and whatever go, and then there is this pocket here in the back where I presume your laptop is supposed to go. At least that's where I keep mine. I don't know what the hell else it would be for. This is the same laptop that I have had since I was a freshman in college. It's the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 model. My laptop case, the pink plain case, is from Amazon, and then the stickers that I got are all from Redbubble. Also in this pocket, I keep a phone charger. I always like to have a spare phone charger. And if I am going to school and know it's going to be a long day and I'm going to be there for a while, I bring my laptop charger too. Sometimes I bring my hard drive if I'm going to edit at school. I keep that back there. That brings us to the final item in my backpack, and my favorite out of everything, out of all school supplies. This is my favorite thing to buy every year. It's my favorite thing to use. My planner. Buying a planner for the year is the most important thing that I do to prepare for school. The most important, the number one most important. For the past couple of years, I've gotten my planners from TJ Maxx because they do have quite a lot, but I looked in the planner aisle at Target. There were so many to choose from. The variety was literally astronomical. I ended up finding this one and I fell in love with it. So let me show you. The brand is Day Designer. It is a weekly, monthly planner. So this is what it looks like. Really enjoy this muted, neutral color. And also I liked that the accents were gold. I just thought that it looked really nice. It is lined with white and then it has gold polka dots. And there's also a ruler in here. I can't even tell you the amount of times that I have just needed a ruler at random moments. So the fact that it comes with one is really nice. There are all these stickers. Anything that's really important you want to stand out, you can use these stickers that they provide, and they're gold. They're very pretty. We have overviews of 2020 and 2021. And then once you get into the months, there's a month overview. I love that it has a notes and to-do section where you can write stuff and then check them off. I also love when it has the tabs on the side. There's another planner that I was looking at Target, but it did not have the tabs on the side, so it was a deal breaker. I need to have these. And then getting into the weekly spreads, I have never had a planner that set it up like this. When I saw this, I instantly fell in love with it. So it obviously has the day and the date and everything, and then there's a side where you can write whatever it is you need to do that day. But then there's a whole to-do section where you can write stuff and check it off. I like to, at the beginning of the week, go through the entire week and figure out what tasks I need to do and assign them to different days so that I can make sure that by the end of the week, everything that I need to do is done. So it'll be so nice to be able to put stuff like that in the to-do section instead of just having it mingled in with everything else that I have written for that day. But that is my planner for this school year, and I love it. I love the way that it is set up. I'm really excited to use it. It's gonna make me feel super organized. Saved this for last because that is my favorite part of school supplies shopping. That is all in that pocket. And that brings us to the end of this video. That is it for what is in my college backpack for 2020 and also my school supplies haul. This has been my third installment of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. And if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified exactly when it goes up no matter what time of the day it is, then make sure to turn on my post notifications. It is the little bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.